Responsible research and innovation is about making better futures with science and engineering research. It's about thinking about the futures that may be created by the research that we're doing, who and what might be impacted and in what ways, and using the knowledge that those methods of thinking produce to impact on the research that we choose to do and the futures that we choose to help create. Aerosol science is a really broad field of research that brings researchers from lots of different disciplines together to solve some of the biggest problems facing humanity and the planet. And as such, there are lots of different kinds of futures that we're thinking about when we think about the futures that aerosol science could create. There are many communities that we might consider. There are lots of different ways in which our research might impact. And one of the things that I try to do is to help researchers investigate and understand better the complex socio-political systems that their research might come to interact with and create futures in different ways. In the Aerosol Science CDT, we take a really broad approach to responsible research and innovation. We include environmental sustainability, nature, ED&I and inclusivity. We even look at decoloniality and the impact of the colonial history of science on the way that we do science today. And we're thinking about how we can embed these ideas at every level of the CDT and how it operates. One of the things that really excites me about the Aerosol Science CDT community is the extent of our community, the number of partners that we have, the number of institutions that are involved, and the number of students who will come through and learn to be researchers with us. And in terms of partners and their involvement with this work, I think it goes two ways. We're really interested in learning from partners about their best practice in the different themes that I cover under responsible research and innovation. But we're also interested to share with them the things that we're learning through doing this work with students, with supervisors, with partners, so that we can grow and learn as a community together. All research has the capacity to change the world, but one of the things that really excites me about working with the Aerosol CDT and with this community as a whole is the commitment that we've made to bringing inclusive, sustainable, creative approaches to research into the core of research training for PGRs. And I think together we genuinely can make the world a better place.